Hi and welcome to this ROS2 course for beginners, level 2. You have learned ROS2 basics and now you want to learn how to design a custom application for a robot and maybe also create a simulation for the robot. Or you are already working on this but you feel lost with TF, URDF and Gazebo? Well, I have built this course just for you. My name is Edward, I'm a software engineer and robotics teacher. I have already taught ROS1 and ROS2 to tens of thousands of people around the world. And speaking of designing a robot with ROS, well, I have actually done it myself in a robotics startup. So what I teach is directly from practical experience. And I remember when I first got started, everything was so confusing to me. It was already hard to learn ROS2 basics, but on top of that, when you add TF, URDF and Gazebo, it seemed impossible. I know it can be frustrating to learn on your own without any guidance. With this course, problem solved. I have designed all the steps for you so that you learn efficiently, one step at a time, by developing a real application. This course is project-based and you will learn by doing. At the end of the course, you will be able to design a custom robot with ROS2 and to run this robot in a simulated world. Everything you learn here, you can then apply it to your own robotics project at work, at school or at home. Now, to get started with this course, you need to have some ROS2 basics. For example, on how to create a package, work with topics, command line tools, etc. If you are completely new to ROS2, then you may get some help with my other course named ROS2 for Beginners, which can be seen as the level 1 before this course here. And now, what will you do in the course? You will first understand what TF is and why we need it. You will then create a URDF file to describe the physical properties of a robot. This will be the first step you do for any robot you create with ROS. Using this URDF, you will simulate the robot in Gazebo, with Gazebo plugins to control the robot. You will also learn how to add a sensor and simulate a world around a robot. All along the way, you will have many opportunities to practice, with hands-on lessons and extra projects. And as always, I focus on the why behind things, as well as giving you the best practices to follow right from the start. This course will save you a lot of time and will unlock so many possibilities for you with ROS2. The knowledge you get here is the stepping stone for any ROS2 project you do in the future. Alright, so if you want to start designing robots and simulations with ROS, enroll in this course right now and let's get started.